Hey Javier, this is Owen with Bright Marketing. We spoke briefly on the phone. I think it was on Friday. I think Friday afternoon. I gave you a call, and I was wondering if you guys were interested in building a website, and you said that your buddy was going to build one for you. So I wanted to shoot this video for you, so that when you guys do end up building a website, you guys know what to look for, and you guys can go about it in the right way. So that website will be able to rank for you guys. You guys can start bringing in some traffic here in San Pablo for plumbing. All right. So I just wanted to cover a couple of different things with you guys. Starting here with a quick Google search for plumbing in San Pablo. Now this is a map that we all pretty familiar with when we search for something on Google. But right below this is the map pack section, right? So the top three listed here are gonna receive a lot of the work just because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. So this is definitely an idea or an area that you guys would want to start out ranking in even without a website. And the way to do that is with citations. So a citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed into directories throughout the web. And a directory is a website such as Facebook, Yellow Pages, LinkedIn, Yelp, any of those websites that are there to give somebody else a different way to find you and allows you to have your business information listed in it is a directory. So the more citations you have or directories that you're in, the better chance you have of showing up in this map pack section right here. And I didn't do, actually I want to do a quick search for you guys. Let's see. I think you guys are under, sorry, I gotta look real quick. Leo Electrical, okay, perfect. So let's do, take a look if you guys are ready. And you guys don't have a GMB page, which is these right here. So for example, if I click on here, see how their information pops up right here. So this is a GMB page, and this is what what you guys would want to get is go out and get a Google My Business page so that you guys can show up in this map pack section right here. If you guys have any questions about that, I can definitely help you out there. So I just wanted to talk about this map pack section right here real quick, and then scroll down a little bit. And then Javier, we're going to talk about these organic section down here, or these organic websites right here, because the same rules apply here that they do in the map pack section. So you want to be on the front page of this organic section and ideally within these top three positions right here, just so that the most amount of people are able to find you, because again, you're listed right away and you're at the top. So the first two we can see here are from Yelp, and Google prefers local businesses and websites to them. So a company like yourself would definitely be able to rank in front of these two right here. But RubensteinSupply.com is the first business that I see here in number 3 spot. So we can take a look at these guys' website. And right away, we can tell that this is nothing crazy. They don't have a whole lot of content. When it comes to content, Javier, Google likes to see as much as possible, right? So when somebody does a search for, let's say, a Leo Electrical Plumbing or it's plumbing in San Pablo, let's do that, right? Google starts crawling websites looking for information, and the websites that have the most relevant information are going to be ranked or are listed higher than the other ones. So Google likes to see around 2,000 words here on the home page. So these guys definitely don't have the 2,000 words that Google's looking for. But opposed to those 2,000 words, they also don't have too many pictures on here. And Google's not going to know what they're really doing either, what areas they're in. But they have a little bit of content, so they have Google's able to kind of figure out what's going on here. Because again, they're in the third spot right here. But we can take a look at that website's rating real quick. Whoopsies, I was looking at their keywords already. So this is Ahrefs. I went ahead and plugged in RubensteinSupply.com just to kind of see what we're up against, right? Because the next thing I wanted to cover with you are these UR and these DR ratings right here. So the UR rating, this is a trust rating. It means how much trust Google sees in your website. The DR rating, this is your strength rating, which means how powerful you are in the eyes of Google. And these two numbers right here are increased by something called a backlink. And these guys don't have any, but the way that a backlink works, all that it means is that there's a website out there that's pointing back to your website or linking back to your website, right? And for Google, it's really a popularity contest, and they want to see as many referring domains right here or other websites linking back to your website. and that's going to increase your trust rating and your strength rating right here. So we can see here that they don't have any on this website. No backlinks. Their backlink profile is completely absent. But the next thing I want to talk about are these organic keywords. So these are the keywords and the search terms that you're able to add into those 2,000 words that are going to be on your homepage once you guys get a website up and running. And we can see here that for San Pablo plumbing, a good amount of people are searching that per month. We got 100 people searching that per month. And because they're sitting in that first spot for that keyword, they're getting a good amount of traffic. Almost half of the people that are searching for that per month are landing on their website, right? So let's do another one, San Pablo plumbing, San Pablo CA. I don't know why they have it twice there, but that's a keyword that people are searching, because 20 people are searching that per month, and they're getting a little bit of traffic there as well because they're sitting in that first spot as well. Plumbing supply Richmond CA, so this is another location that they serve, because 30 people are searching for that per month, and they're getting some traffic here. Excuse me, because they're sitting in that fifth spot. So these are the keywords that this website specifically are targeting. But there's tons of keywords that you guys can go after as well and put them on your website to clarify what services that you guys are offering, what areas that you serve, as well as any other keywords that you guys want people to find you for. So an issue that I notice a lot with websites in general is not targeting these keywords enough, or not being aggressive with these keywords enough, because San Pablo plumbing, that's just one keyword with 100 people searching for it, right? And they're sitting in the #1 spot. So when you guys get your website up and going, if we were able to get you guys onto that first page and ranking for the #1 and 2 spots for a lot of keywords in San Pablo, in Richmond, in any of the areas that you guys are serving, a lot of people are going to be able to find your website, and that's going to lead to people calling your phone and lead to you being on the job more and more and helping out and getting more and more clients. So that's kind of all I had for you guys today. If you have any questions about any of this, please feel free to reach out through my email. I'd be happy to answer any questions for you guys, help you guys get a GMB set up, get a website set up, get all that going for you guys. So again, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be happy to help you guys out. If not, no worries. I understand your buddy's supposed to be helping you, so maybe show this video to him, so when you guys do create a website, you guys can go after the right keywords and that right content. So appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Have a great rest of your week, okay?